What's up, guys? Tim from Olsen Motorsports. Let's go for a ride in the purple 964. So this one's got a 4-liter in it. Ellen Engineering built it along with us. Ninemeister heads, RS Eurospec Cam Shafts, and it's fast. Let's go. So it's got the 4-piston front brakes, 4-piston rear brakes, full floating rotors. And it's just an amazing car to drive. It does have working heat. It does have working AC. So overall feel of the car, it's sporty. It's a little stiff. It's super aggressive exhaust note, and it's very, very throaty on throttle response. That's because of the short Gen V. So it's got the very short ITBs, and that coupled with the gearing and the diff and everything just makes it a stoplight to stoplight monster. So like I said, you're never going to get a ton of top speed out of it, but you know, going stoplight to stoplight, it's fine. So I'm in 4th gear, and then in 5th gear at 45 miles an hour, I'm at 1800 RPM. So it'll, on the freeway, it does get a little rowdy up in the top end, but driving around town, it's awesome. The rev match is good. It's super responsive, and it's just a fun car to drive.